hey, we all look better. It's also 1:40 a.m. It's 1:40 a.m. and I'm struggling to stay awake. We're trying to make birthday cake puppy chow.
We don't know how to make.
Okay.
Wait, I need like a place to like set it up.
I think it's funny vlog style.
Well, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna set it up.
Here's a cup.
That's literally the smallest.
So,
How? Oh, I can set up.
Can I see if I can explain something real quick?
You can come over here and explain.
Here's another cup.
You're missing one. What's your... What are you doing? It spilled. I promise we're normal.
No, we're not. Okay, so Chloe decided to pour the whole thing of the cereal into it.
That's not gonna be enough.
Like, measuring it.
4. It says 4.5.
5.
That's what I had. We're just gonna do that.
Wait, I'm confused now.
We literally suck.
You guys suck. I don't suck. Okay, you need a knife.
Oh my god, can I do
We
this?
can just do 4 of them, right?
Yeah, barges.
You can't just break it.
Bet.
Watch. That's honestly so satisfying. That's literally the most
I don't even
satisfying
know how you did that. We gotta melt it, so you gotta put it in a smaller bowl.
Okay, now I guess we melt. Oh my god, I'll take you guys over there.
How
Just
we
burn
burn
the
it?
chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I thought it was
Chocolate.
I thought it was white chocolate.
It's supposed to be white chocolate. Why is it brown?
No, it smells
We
bad.
burned it.
How do you burn chocolate?
Alex, we have another half.
Oh my god. Did anyone know chocolate can burn? Because I guess, does it just turn into dark chocolate?
No, it doesn't turn to freaking dark chocolate.
Ew,
you
why is
idiot.
it like that?
It literally
It looks like s'mores.
Oh my god, it kind of looks kind of good.
Why does it look like that?
It kind of smells like a s'more, I'm not gonna lie.
It does.
Oh my god, did we just make homemade s'mores out of white chocolate?
Okay, yeah, but you were trying to make puppy chow.
What is
Okay, well, we need to throw that away.
Bryce did it.
I know, I did it.
Instead of looking like this for me and Chloe. So we messed it up.
Really gross. Okay, you ready?
Is this how we do it?
Get a whisk.
Oh wait.
Oh, still the thing. This is too much Chex Mix.
Oh well.
I don't think it's too much. I think it's perfect.
If so, we can put some of our burnt chocolate in it.
Ew.
I don't think it would taste bad.
Yeah. We can dump some of our other white chocolate in there.
We can have some of the burnt
It tastes
crusty
like white chocolate, I swear.
I trust you, Chloe.
Yeah,
I don't think Wallace does, but I trust you. Oh,
Ew,
wow.
that looks disgusting.
That
No,
looks
what?
like diarrhea.
Guys, we did not do this right. Okay, we need to pour the funfetti mix in.
How much funfetti mix do we pour in?
Ham and
We really just don't think this through.
I said we go ham and pour it all
This wasn't
in.
required.
I really think we do pour it all in.
I think we do as well.
Shoot, let's just do it.
I forgot about my.
Did you even
Wait,
open-
wait.
What?
Where the heck did it go?
Oh, I see it.
It's a little burnt.
It's a little burnt chunk. Because we don't know how to mix white chocolate, I guess.
You don't know how to mix white chocolate.
I feel like this isn't how we're supposed to do this. Ow. Because this does not
Okay,
look...
stop.
We suck.
Guys, did anybody else forget how good orange
maybe.
juice was?
Okay, pour more.
Let's get in there.
I like more over here.
Or you gotta mix it. Look at me being a good wife.
Whatever.
Honey.
I'm her husband.
Honey, I made the kids some snacks. Why are you filming it like that?
I literally made it.
You gotta film it. Gotta redo that all, okay.
They're such a mess. Oh my gosh. And Peppa.
Puppy chow?
10 out of 10.
We kind of slapped. Ew.
Totally the same.
We kind of did very good on it. Not
It
gonna lie.
tastes good. It doesn't look right, but it tastes good.
Yeah. I didn't think we were actually gonna do it, but we did it. So now I gotta take a thumbnail. Come on, Grace. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna eat our puppy chow.
Oh, ooh. See?
I look like a boy.
That one kind of tasted really weird. Not gonna lie.
Probably the burnt chocolate.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
My hair.
Okay, so I'm so sorry you guys just had to watch that very tragic video. We were all so exhausted and so tired by the end of it. So that was the result of that, but I think it's still like a funny video, so I'm still gonna post it anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sorry it's kind of late. I've been really sick and I've just not really been in the mood to like do anything productive, and I've been kind of busy as well. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next week with probably hopefully a better video. So yeah, goodbye now.